Hi, my name's Rich, and today I'm going to show you how to migrate an existing WordPress website to a clean WordPress install. I'm going to be using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. It is a free plugin. There is a paid option to upgrade. You get some additional features, but we don't need any of those for what we're doing today. We're just going to be using the free plugin. So I'll start on my completed website. This is a customer website that I'm going to be moving to my server on a clean WordPress install. I'll go ahead and go to the dashboard. And I'm going to show you both ways to install the plugin. The first way, we're just going to plugin and add new. And then we're going to search for all-in-one. And you're looking for this plugin right here. Just click install. And activate. And once we're activated, you'll notice we have an option over in the sidebar now for all-in-one WP migration. So the first step we want to do is export the current site. And there's not a whole lot here. Basically, all you have to do is tell it where you want it to export to. Some of these options require the purchase. You don't have to purchase a plugin to export to a file, and that's going to download it to our local computer. And that's included with the free plugin. But we're just going to use file for now. And this should be a fairly quick process. Depends on how large your site is. Okay, so the plugin has successfully packaged our download. So our site is essentially zipped up and ready for us to download. So we'll click here and it'll start downloading to our computer. So that's all we're going to do on the website that we're trying to migrate. We don't need to do anything else in this window. We just need to wait for this download to finish. And that was pretty quick. Okay, so our download is complete. We're going to go ahead and switch over to our clean WordPress install. As you can see, this is just a fresh install of WordPress. And go back to our dashboard. And as you can see, we also don't have the plugin installed. So we'll go to plugins. And I told you that I was going to show you both ways of installing a plugin. Before we went to add new. You can also go to add new up here, and we search for the plugin. I'm going to go ahead and upload the plugin because I do have the all-in-one migration plugin on my local machine. So just to give you an example of both ways that you can get the plugin. And then we want to activate the plugin. Okay, so now you see that we have the option here for all-in-one migration, and we're going to import the site that we just exported. So all you have to do is drag and drop that file that we just downloaded right here, and it's going to start importing onto the fresh WordPress install. Now this migration file that we're importing right now will include the entire website. Okay, so that process took about 5 minutes for this particular site, and this is just giving me a warning letting me know that if I do import the site, it's going to erase and overwrite any existing website that I had at this location. And that's fine. This was a clean WordPress install. I created it for this purpose, so I want to proceed. Okay, and this is just telling me that I need to reset my Permalink settings. So I'm going to click on this link right here, and it's going to open up a new tab. And I'm going to have to log in immediately. Okay, so that was my login for this install. I had just a temporary login, And since I've imported the website, I'm going to have to use the login from the completed website that I imported. So it doesn't retain the username or website from the previous install. As it said, that import was going to overwrite everything. Okay, so I got logged back in and just have to set my permalinks, save changes. And you can see all our pages are here. We've imported everything over. We can go into our editor. We can make any new changes we need. So this works really good for migrating a site from a temporary server if you have a development server. It's really simple. It only took probably 15-20 minutes or so to get everything done. And we have a functioning website, and you can see this is the page that I was on with the previous install. So this is the new site that was on a clean WordPress install. And all of this was done with the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.